And welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a label or a text in native iOS application using UIkit. So as you can see, this is the output. I am displaying hello world text. Now I am using UIkit, but if and also I'm not using storyboard. Everything is done programmatically. So first what I have done is that inside our view controller I have created a UI label. So make sure UIkit is imported. So I have created our UI label. Then you can assign whatever text makes sense to you. Then I have used this translate auto resizing mask into constraints equal to false. This is required because I am using this NS layout constraints. We'll look into NS layout constraint in some other video. Next I have applied some font. I have used UI font name Pacifico regular and the size is of 18. Now to import font, download it from Google Fonts or whatever you are using. Just drag and drop your fonts. Make sure this target membership is checked over here. Once you do that, go to info.plist, go to fonts provided by application and make sure you add your particular font which you have added inside your application. Now you can use it over here. So as you can see, I'm using it and I have set the size as well. Then to apply some color, you can use text color, and this my color I have defined it inside assets. And over here, as you can see, if you want to create a new color, you can just click on new color set and you can just click over here, and from over here you can define whatever color makes sense to you. So I've kept the same color for white and dark mode, light and dark mode, sorry. Next over here, then you have to add your label to our main view. So this is the parent view which is automatically present whenever you create a UI view controller. Next, for applying constraints, so I want the label to be at the very center of my screen. So what I am doing is that I am using NS layout constraints for applied to our label. The attribute is dot center and it is related dot equal to our parent view, which is the main view. Again it is should be at the center of our parent view as well, and the multiplier is 0, constant is 0. Similarly for this is for the x-axis. Similarly for y-axis I also done the same thing. Then you have to apply the constraints to our view. So as you can see, I have just applied view dot add constraints, center x constraint and center y constraint. Now if you are a very beginner, you can ignore this stuff for now, but in a later video I will definitely guide you on how to create NS layout constraints. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.